Just finished a construction project? Let System4 of Indianapolis handle the cleanup. Our Indianapolis post-construction cleaning services are designed to make your newly built or renovated space spotless and ready for use. We specialize in removing debris, dust, and any remaining construction materials, ensuring your property is safe, clean, and inviting. From small renovations to large-scale projects, our team is equipped to handle it all. Our trained professionals use state-of-the-art equipment to get every corner clean. We focus on detailed work, cleaning windows, floors, fixtures, and more, leaving your property move-in ready. Whether you're a contractor, property manager, or business owner, we'll customize our post-construction cleaning services to meet your needs. No job is too big or too small for System4 of Indianapolis. With a commitment to quality and reliability, we take pride in delivering top-notch service so you can focus on what's next for your project. Plus, our team works quickly and efficiently, minimizing any delays so you can get your space up and running as soon as possible. We respect your timeline and work around your schedule to ensure the best results. Contact us today at 317-222-1739 or visit https:/system4indy.com. Facilities, post-construction, cleaning services to schedule your service. We'll make sure your space shines.